Hi guys. Hey, want to do a unboxing and an entry video for the under 1000 group build put on by Mike over at Model Speed Shop. I'm of course entering Christine. I'd done a poll between 3 different model kits to see what you guys wanted to see built, and Christine kind of took it in a landslide. So here we go. Get out the razor blade, take the plastic off, and then unbox this thing so you're seeing it all when I do. It's just one of the coolest TV cars ever. Oh, come on. I'm doing it one-handed, of course. Yeah, I do everything one-handed anymore when it comes to filming or whatever. It's crazy. But here we go. Ooh, red. Oh, man. Tell right off the bat, one thing I see that I don't like, it should have dual air cleaners for... Oh well. Cool. Got windshield wipers, the hubcaps, the grill, instrument cluster. Nice. Glass pieces, side windows. That's cool. Usually you don't see a lot of side windows in models, so that's cool. Get the 4 round squishy things called tires. Nice. And of course they're cut out. Evidently there's a white wall piece that'll go in there or something. Oh, there's the body. Yeehaw. Very, very cool. It's gonna be a fun build. And then you got all your steering wheel, your mufflers, frame, some of the interior parts. Heck yeah. Door panels, seats, I think those are rear seats. Fan belts, yeah, the white walls are separate in there, that's cool. And decals, can't see what they are because they're in the thing, but that's okay. Got the destructions. Nice. Building the engine. Yeah, it's kind of a bummer because they had on the model kit, or on the real one, it had dual air cleaners. So I don't know, I may have to figure out something on that. There's your interior. Nice. Doing your frame. Wind. Of course they do this on a windy day outside. Nice. Very cool. I can't wait to get this one going. That's going to be a fun one. I may actually do that with the windows up. I don't know. Let's see. Kind of neat though. And you get all your hood, your radiator, horns. Oh, that's cool. It's got horns. Mirrors, battery, tail lights. Very, very cool. All your paint colors. Nice. Very, very nice. Cool. Well, that's gonna about do it, guys. Wanted to, like I said, get the unboxing started. The under 1,000 subscriber group build is for people like me that don't have 1,000 subs yet. And it's August 1st through Halloween, I think, which actually makes this a good choice here because, you know, being Christine and Halloween and all that kind of stuff, that's kind of a good deal. But yeah, very, very neat. So I'm gonna have to be watching Christine movie again here shortly to pick up on things for the build. But yeah, it's kind of a bummer. Like I said, I know it had dual air cleaners. I'll try to figure out something on that, see if I can do something. But anyway, guys, well, hey, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And guys, stay tuned for more updates on this, along with a lot of other cool stuff that's coming down the road. We'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Thanks. Bye.